In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you how the Timeleft app works and how you can actually use it. Now, it doesn't cost any money whatsoever, and basically you can use this app to actually get to meet new people. Now, when you click on get started, it's basically going to get to know your area. It's basically an app that's designed to find people that are locally in your area that you can actually meet and potentially become friends with. Now, in this case, if I'm from Australia, I just want to select this region up here. And once you've selected your region, you basically want to select your region in which you live in. Now, once you've actually done this, it's basically just going to ask you a few different questions on how to get to know you, so it can get to know your personality as well as the other people that it's going to pair you with once you're actually on this app. Now, in this case, I'm interested in emotions and feelings, and you can say if you'd like a film enthusiast, a smart person, and it's basically going to give you a whole lot of these questions, so don't spend too long on them, but also think about it at the same time so that you can really get to know the people that it's going to pair you with. And once you've done this, you'll be able to see that 96% of the people are comparably to me when it comes to rating them for my dinner. And you can basically choose which gender you are, if your relationship status, and so on. And once you've done that, you can actually see that right here, it'll bring you to this page where it'll say there's like a table of 5 other participants, and you can basically just get to know this, and you can sign up using Apple or Google or your email. And once you've actually signed up, you can see right here we've finished setting up our account, and you can actually select a date that you would like to meet these people for dinner just on this app like so. And you can basically click book a seat. It's up to 5 people per table so that you can really get individual connections with them. And you can always edit your profile information, whether that be just your bio, where you're from, any of the questions that you may have answered just on this page right here in settings. And it's really good and easy to use, and it'll basically just start your messaging chain on this page right here, which you can just easily message the people in your group. And you can even just change the dinner time and the place that you eat. These on the homepage are just all custom by default, so yeah, you can always change if you want to eat earlier at like 5, or change the restaurant, because there's actually not a set restaurant on here. You just have to decide within the group.